Check out this Dodge 2019 Challenger SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, GPS antenna input, media hub, 2 USB, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4 with 7 display, air conditioning and automatic temperature control. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.